Hello guys, today I am here with We're also here with SBC Safety Harbor, SBC Louisville, and Solomon Maddox. So right now it is 11:29 and we're waiting for the test. So I'm going to use the bathroom and hopefully Tallahassee doesn't freak me out. So bye. Am I recording? I am. No, you can't come in here. Okay, Tallahassee's gonna catch me by surprise. Here we go!
Radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert.
Woo, here we go!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest and South Central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-blizzard day. Reception of
Wait, did this record it
and
right?
the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
It did!
To
Yes!
provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for launches
Give me five.
affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office.
There it is.
Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocmulgee River. Coastal waters from Ocmulgee River to Apalachicola. Coastal waters from Okaloosa and Walton County line to Mexico Beach out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from...
Woo! That was the test. Yeah.